Welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to do Spaghettieis. This is an ice cream dish from Germany. It is designed to look like a bowl of spaghetti. We have basically three ingredients. We have ice cream, which is in the refrigerator. Yes, you heard that right. I've had the ice cream softening in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. You may want to do 10 minutes, you may want to do longer, depending upon your refrigerator. We have strawberry sauce, which in this case is just some frozen strawberries and sugar, but many people will add lemon juice or orange juice to that. I didn't feel like I needed to in this case. And we just need something to act like Parmesan cheese. I'm going to take a few of these white sprinkles and I'm going to crush them up a little bit. So that's what we have. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, to make this, you will need a potato ricer. I have a potato ricer here. It's better to have this in the freezer for a bit. We're going to fill the bowl with our now slightly softened ice cream. Some people also put whipping cream underneath the ice cream on the plate. I'm not going to do that. But then basically we just squeeze it through the potato ricer, and unfortunately my potato ricer is not great for this, but we're still going to work at it. So I'm only doing a small one today. Obviously it should be swirled around a little better than this, but we're just going to spoon some of this on top so that it looks like ragu. And I decided to just sprinkle some of these on top without crushing them up. They would look nicer if they were crushed up, but such is life. So that's ice cream spaghetti. I'll take a couple photos and then we will do the taste test. And now for the taste test. It is basically vanilla ice cream and strawberry sauce, so it does basically taste like that. It's not bad. I like it, but I think most people eat it for the novelty, etc. Just make sure your plate particularly is cold, and you may need to freeze your potato ricer too. So if you like this content, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you. Recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.